Greetings everyone. You are welcome back to Jewel Study World. Today our lesson will be on simultaneous linear equations. So here we have two ways of solving such questions. One is to use the elimination method and two is to use the substitution method. But for the sake of this video, we will focus on the elimination method. So we have solved the equations 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 8 and x plus 3y is equal to 14 simultaneously. So we have the first equation as equation 1 and the second equation as equation 2. So how can we solve these two equations simultaneously? Note that we are using the elimination method. So now for elimination method, you have to note that the variable that you want to eliminate, either x or y, the variables on each of the equations should have the same coefficient, or the coefficient of those variables should be the same on both sides of the equation. So assuming you want to eliminate x, the coefficient of x on both equation 1 and equation 2 should be the same. So here you have 2 and here you have 1. So you can't eliminate x. But you can eliminate y because you have 3 here and then 3 here. So how can we eliminate y? By adding equation 1 to equation 2. If we add equation 1 to equation 2, y will be eliminated because negative 3y plus 3y will give us 0. So now equation 1 plus equation 2. So we have 2x plus x. 2x plus x plus negative 3y plus 3y. Negative 3y plus 3y is equal to negative 8 plus 14. Negative 8 plus 14. So we are adding equation 1 and equation 2. So now we have 2x plus x give us 3x plus minus 3y plus 3y gives us 0. Is equal to negative 8 plus 14 gives us 6. So y has been eliminated. So you can just find the value of x. So we have 3x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 3. So 3 cancels 3. We have x is equal to 3 goes here 1 and goes here 2. So now x is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. We can put x is equal to 2 into any of the equations. So either you can put the value of x into equation 1 or equation 2 to find the value of y. So now let's put x is equal to 2 into equation 1. So it means that from equation 1, wherever we find x, we write 2 or we will replace 2 into x. So here you have 2 multiplying x. So it will be 2 multiplying 2 because x is 2. So 2 times 2 minus 3y is equal to minus 8. So we have 2 times 2 minus 3y is equal to minus 8. So now 2 times 2 gives us 4. Minus 3y is equal to minus 8. What the value of y? So you can transpose negative 8 to the left hand side and then transpose negative 3y to the right hand side. So we have 4. So when negative 8 comes, or when you transpose negative 8 to the left hand side, it becomes positive 8. It's equal to negative 3y2 will become 3y when we transpose this to the right hand side. So 4 plus 8 gives us 12 is equal to 3y. Divide both sides by 3. 3 cancels 3. 2 goes to 6 of 1 goes to 12 4 times. So you have y is equal to 4. Now the value of y is 4 and the value of x is 2. So we can also choose to put the value of x into equation 2 and solve if you get the value of y to be 4. So now we have x to be 2. So now let's put the value of x, which is 2. So put x is equal to 2 into equation 2. So it means that from equation 2, wherever we find x, we write 2. Now 2 plus 3y is equal to 14. 2 plus 3y is equal to 14. Let's find the value of y. So you transpose 2 to the right hand side. You get 3y is equal to 14 minus 2. 3y is equal to 12. Let's divide both sides by 3. So you have y is equal to 4. So you see, when you put the value of x into equation 1, get the value of y to be 4, and also into equation 2, get the value of y to be 4. So it means that immediately you find the value of x, you can put the value of x into any of the equations to find the value of y. Let's solve our next question. So let's solve our next question. We have 2x plus 5y is equal to 11 as equation 1, and then 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 as equation 2. So let's solve these two equations simultaneously using the elimination method. So here, you have to make sure that the value that you want to eliminate have the same coefficient on both sides of the equation. So let's eliminate the value of x. Here the coefficient of x is 2, and here the coefficient of x is 3. So what can we do to these equations so that the coefficient of x will be the same on both sides of the equation? So here, if you multiply equation 1 by 3, if you multiply equation 1 by 3, 3 times 2 will give us 6. And if you multiply equation 2 by 2, 2 times 3 will give us 6. So now you can eliminate the value of x, or you can eliminate the x as the variable. So here, multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. So 3 times equation 1, the whole equation will give us 2x plus 5y is equal to 11. So 3 times 2 gives us 6x plus 3 times 5 gives us 15y is equal to 3 times 11 gives us 33. So we have 6x plus 15y is equal to 33 as equation 3. And now you said multiply equation 2 by 2. So equation 2, you have 2 multiplying the whole of equation 2. You have 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. So 2 times 3 is 6x plus 2 times 4 is 8y is equal to 2 times 10 is 20. So this will be equation 4. Now you have two new equations, equation 3 and equation 4. And for these equations, the value or the coefficient of x are the same. You have 6 and 6. So you can either subtract equation 4 from equation 3 or equation 3 from equation 4 to eliminate the value of x, or to eliminate x. So here, let's subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So you have equation 3 minus equation 4. So we are subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. So it means that you have, from equation 3 you have 6x. So 6x minus 6x, 6x minus 6x plus 15y minus 8y, 15y minus 8y is equal to 33 minus 20, 33 minus 20. So subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. So 6x minus 6x, 15y minus 8y, and then 33 minus 20. So now you have 6x minus 6x equals 0. So now x has been eliminated. So we have 15y minus 8y to give us 7y is equal to 10 to the minus 20 to give us 13. So now we have 7y is equal to 13. So y is equal to 13 over 7. So this is the value of y. You can put y equal to 13 over 7 into any of the equation to find the value of x. So let's put this value into equation 1. So putting y is equal to 13 over 7 into equation 1. So it means that from equation 1, whenever you find y, you write 13 over 7. So we have equation 1, we have 2x plus 5y. So y will be 13 over 7 is equal to 11. So we have 2x plus 5 multiplying 13. We have 5 times 3, which is 15. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So you have 65 over 7 is equal to 11. So now we have the LCM of this to be 7. So multiply each term by 7. So 7 times 2x plus 7 times 65 over 7 is equal to 7 times 11. So let's continue from here. So we have 7 times 2x to give us 14x. So we have 14x plus 7. So here 7 cancels 7. So we have 65. So 65 is equal to 7 times 11. We have 77. So 14x is equal to 77 minus 65. We have 14x to be equal to 12. And now you have x to be equal to 12 over 14. And then you have x to be equal to, so 2 goes to 12 6 times, and then it's 14 7 times. So you have 6 over 7 as the value of x. So the value of y is 13 over 7. The value of x is 6 over 7. So this is how to solve simultaneous linear equations using the elimination method. So make sure you like and share my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at